69 divided by 2. We need multiplication table of 2 as 2 is the divisor. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 4 8. To find the multiplication table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. 2 goes into 6 how many times? Look, 2 goes into 6 3 times. Write 3. 3 times 2 6, subtract 0. Bring down this 9. 2 goes into 9 how many times? Look, 5 times 10, so 8 times, 4 times, which is 8. 4 times 2, 8. Subtract 1. So your answer is 34, remainder 1. If you want to convert your answer in decimal, then what will you do? Just take a decimal and you are allowed to take any number of zeros. So bring down the first 0, you are getting 10. Before this 0 there is a decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 2 goes into 10 5 times. Write 5. 5 times 2 10. If you subtract, then you are getting 0. So 34.5 is your answer.